Hi, it's Latenode. Headless Browser has a really huge potential when it comes to automating your workflow. But if you've never worked with it, it could be a bit tricky to come up with how to use it. That's why this video exists. So over the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use Headless Browser's most common features like making screenshots or passing data from the web page inside the Latenode automation platform. There'll be some beginner-friendly use cases and one that we actually use ourselves. Enjoy! Well, the first one is really simple. Headless Browser is capable of parsing data from the web pages, and that's what this scenario does. All the magic happens here, so let's have a look. So in this code, Headless Browser goes to the web page of Bank of England and scrapes the exchange rate of a currency that I sent him through the webhook. It's better to see in action, so let's do this. First we copy our webhook link and go to the postman. Here we insert our link, choose post, then go to body, raw, choose JSON, and write something like this and click send. Now waiting. Here it is. Let's check our script. So history. One success here. I think that's what we are talking about. Right. After the Headless Browser comes webhook response. Here we have our return JSONs, and I use webhook response only to show the result right after the execution. And you may input this JSONs like in Airtable or Google Sheets or whatever. And here is another example, quick and easy. This time, Headless Browser, let's see. Okay, this time Headless Browser enters the search query. You can put here anything in Google and then passes the results. Let's see it in action. Just activate the webhook link. First click activate, of course, and then our link. Okay, since I use webhook response, our titles are already here. They are here because of webhook response. Here's how it works from inside. But I think that's enough for easy ones. Let's start with this one. Here I have two trigger nodes. One activates the script on a schedule. Here every week on Monday at 9 o'clock. Here how it looks in cron expression. And the webhook activates the scenario every time I send a signal to its link. Then comes the Airtable node. Insert your API key in connections, then choose path for a database you want to use. And here I have the filter that chooses data only from the last 7 days. You'd better click save every time you change something in your automation. Later you'll be able to choose between the versions of your workflow. After that comes the JavaScript node. Here we have the code that creates JSON objects for every weekday. There is an AI copilot, so you may ask it for help. Make a prompt with structure like add script to my code that, then explain what you want in detail. And click replace after code is ready. And finish in here with creating global variables with this node, and then save all the changes and activate this scenario. This is the next script. It creates an HTML form and uses global variables to create a chart in JavaScript node. You may ask AI to use free NPM packages in your prompt. Let's have a look on this chart. We take the webhook link. That's how it looks. But you may ask, where is the Headless Browser? Let's see the last one. Here we see the webhook and schedule triggers once again playing the same role. And here is the Headless Browser. Inside of it we see code that takes a screenshot of a chart we've already seen. Then the JavaScript sends the screenshot to our group chat in Telegram via bot. For this code you have to use bot token and chat ID. Okay, that's how it works in action. Let's save the scenario, activate it, and let's activate the webhook link. Here is the result in our chat. Well, I guess that's all for now. If you have any questions or face any troubles during your Latenode experience, feel free to ask for help in the comment section or in our Discord channel.